flip the phone here. What I'm working on now, thumbnail generators for YouTube videos. I'm always working on something, right? It is my it's my Boomer Fresh theme of yellow, and anyway, flip back to me. The reason I do these little snippets is because it's solely as I do make progress, as I do advance in rebuilding myself, recreating myself with a number of different programs. We've got a Boomer Fresh. All right, let me turn the table. It's my website. My quiz for people taking student loans, that have student loans. Boomer Fresh is an online incubator for socially responsible programs. I've got a couple of online courses. Got a ukulele project going to start. My friends in the art business. And those that think they're retired but are looking for something to do and make some extra money, etc. My last $100. Story of me the last few years, and the manuscript I wrote. A Kickstarter in order to legalize and edit this manuscript. So anyway, I do these little 3-minute gigs basically for the YouTube algorithm. As I start actually getting serious with URLs and addresses to my different deliverables, then YouTube will be primed by then. I haven't gone in to do a lot of SEO type stuff. I'll probably hire somebody to do that. But anyway, so there's little 3-minute things that are plopped down. I probably have about 30 of them thus far, maybe even 40. And as I have made progress, I started in the notes. I start putting links to my website, links to different things that I'm doing. So that's what that's all about. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July tomorrow, and have a good one. All right.